Hi guys, I'm going to show you one wonderful machine which can make your life very easy. How this machine will help you to cut onions without any further tear. So if you don't know how to cut onions, so this machine will definitely going to help you. So no more tears. That's the machine. Just watch it. You can cut onions without any tears. And also it can help you to cut the tomato. Now check the tomato how to cut easily. So you can make this one with this machine multiple stuff. The main thing which I have already spoken regarding the onions, cut onions without any further tears. Just see and how beautiful you can make your salad